Hello and welcome. I am Julia, and today we're going to do a chakra meditation. So, we all have 7 energy centers in our body, also called chakras, and they can get blocked by stress, bad food, etc. And blocked chakras can lead to bad sleep, disease, tiredness, etc. So this chakra meditation is very powerful. It will help to balance the chakras and unblock them. So let's just release some tension by rolling our shoulders back. Sit up in a straight position. The back should be completely straight so that the prana can flow freely and so that the chakras are in alignment. Okay, and now close your eyes. We will take 5 deep breaths. Releasing all tension. Now imagine a beautiful bright light above you, which is slowly coming towards the crown of your head. It goes in through your crown, down through your head, neck, and now it's swirling around in your heart, this beautiful bright healing light swirling around in your heart center. It continues down your body into your belly, around your belly button, down your legs and into the earth. You now see another light. This is the light of Mother Earth. And feel this light, this beautiful light, come up through your feet, into your legs, and now into your root chakra. Your root chakra can be found at the base of your spine. So feel the energy swirling around there, the healing white, beautiful light. Now the light continues, traveling up to behind your navel. This is your sacral chakra. Feel the energy swirling around, healing you here. The light continues up to the base of your rib cage. Here lies your solar plexus. Feel the energy swirling around here and breathe deeply to heal it. An unbalanced solar plexus can lead to confidence issues. So if you're struggling with confidence, then healing your solar plexus is very important. The light continues up to your heart center now. Feel the energy swirling around here, and really breathe into your heart center to heal this chakra. When this chakra is healed, you feel love for all beings and for yourself. The energy now continues up to your throat chakra. See the light in your mind's eye. See it swirling around in your throat. Your throat chakra helps you speak the truth, right? So it's very important to have an open throat chakra. Now the light continues up to your third eye, so between your eyebrows and then back behind your eyes to between the ears. There lies your third eye. Focus your attention there. See the healing white light swirling around there, healing your third eye. This is where your intuition lays. Deep breaths. The light now continues to the last and highest chakra in your body. Your crown, so at the top of your head. Bring your attention there and really see and feel this bright healing light swirling around the top of your head. Now visualize all your chakras and see them in good alignment. The light now goes down into the third eye, healing as it keeps going down into your throat, your heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, and all the way down into the earth again. Feel how healed your chakras are now, how balanced they are. And thank yourself for taking this time to heal and balance your chakras. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And slowly, slowly open your eyes. Thanks so much for joining me for this chakra meditation. Let me know in the comments how it was for you. And see you in the next video.